Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to start with our present tense, all the types, that is present indefinite or simple, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so you can check my last video. In that I explained tenses and there are all three types, that is present, past, continuous, and there are these four forms also. Generally I started them, and in today's video we are going to study it in brief. Okay, so this video is about present tense, all these four types. In my next video we will be able to see the past and future also. Okay, so let's see with our today's topic. So if I talk about its structure, means its form, so this has the same form as the root from infinitive without to, in positive if I say, of the verb, like subject plus verb first form, verb es or es is added to it. Okay, subject plus verb first form and s or es we add it in with third person, that is he, she or it. Whereas in negative is formed with do not or does not, like subject plus don't, doesn't, plus verb first form with the third person singular. Okay, in interrogative, in question we have do, does plus subject plus verb first form with it. Okay, so here is to remember that we doesn't use this subject before this do or does. After do or does we use subject. Okay, there is this point is need to be kept in your mind. Okay, so we have here few examples, like his wife sets the table, I like fruits, we love flying kites, my son makes his bed, I don't play chess, she does not feel so good, it doesn't want to eat it, do they speak English very well, does she have black hair, do you love me, like that. Okay, so if you want I can explain you one example also, like his wife sets the table. So subject set is the verb, we used here s with it, so that's what we want. Okay, like I have simple in positive, just remember that with positive subject plus verb first form verb with s or es, negative subject plus don't, doesn't plus verb form verb first form, interrogative do, does plus subject plus verb first form. Okay, so in positive you can say example like I eat, in negative it will be I do not eat, in interrogative do I eat, like that. Okay, so let's see its usage and with examples like where they are used. These are used, the simple present tense is used to express the journal truth, like the sun rises in the east. Habits, I play badminton every Tuesday. Future timetables, our train leaves at 9 am. Future after when and until, I won't go out until it stops raining. Permanent situations, he work in a bank. For newspaper headlines, man enters space. With non-progressive, I believe that you are innocent. When telling stories, suddenly the window opens and a masked man enters. For giving direction and instructions, first of all you break the eggs and whisk with sugar, like that. Okay, so I hope this present simple is clear to you. Then we have our present continuous tense after it. So its form I want to tell you, and this tense is formed in positive, like you can see here, with is mr plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, verb plus ing, verb first form plus ing, like here you are able to see this positive, subject plus m is r plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, like with I we use m, I plus m plus start is verb, so we used here ing, starting, I am starting. With he, she, it we uses is, like he is starting, she is starting, it is starting. With you, they we uses are, like we have here you are starting, we are starting, you, they, like that. Okay, so it's about to say, like example we have I am crying, he is running, you are waiting, like that. Okay, if I talk about its negative form, it is formed by putting not after is mr. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb plus ing. Like I am not starting, he is not starting, she is not starting, it is not starting, you are not starting, we are not starting, like that. Example, she is not crying, like she isn't crying, like we use in its short form. And then we have our question form. In interrogative, how we uses it. In interrogative, this is formed by placing is mr before the subject, like am is are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing, like am I starting. Like always remember that with I we uses am, with he she it we uses is, you we they we uses are, and then after it will be same. Okay, am I starting, is she starting, are they starting, like that. Example, you have here you are crying. This is in simple sentence that you are crying, but if I have to say this in present continuous tense, how I'll be saying it, are you crying, in its interrogative form. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Next we have its uses and its examples, like where we uses it. Okay, so present continuous tense is used to describe something which is happening at the exact moment of speech, at exact time. Jim is watching television at the moment. Describe an action that is taking place now but not at exact moment of speech. John is working in London. Describe an event planned in the future, like informal. I am taking my French class on Tuesday. To describe a temporary situation, that is not no permanent, temporary situation. I am staying with a friend for a few days. And that is not I am fixed here. Now I am not saying that I will be living and staying with him forever, permanently. So it's temporary. To emphasize the frequency of an action. That child is always crying for no good reason. To describe changing situations, like her health is improving by leaps and bounds. So that is changing situation. Next we have our present perfect tense. So first take a look at its form. So in positive, the present perfect tense is formed with have or has plus past participle, means verb third form, like subject plus has or have plus verb third form, like he she it plus has started, I you we they plus have started. Okay, so with he she it we uses has, and with I you we they we uses have, and then verb third form. Like example, I have done it, he has done it. So with he she it has we uses, I you we they have uses in each of the form. Like it could be negative, it could be interrogative, it doesn't matter. Same in negative form is formed by putting not after have or has, like and subject plus has have plus not plus verb third form, past participle, that is verb third form. He she it uses has, so he she it has not started. I you they we uses have, so I you we they have not started. Example, I have not done it, he has not done it, like that. In our question form in interrogative, this is formed by placing have or has before the subject, like has have plus subject plus verb third form. Has plus he she it, with he she it we uses have, I you we they we uses have. So has he started, have they started, like that. Example, we have you have done it, she has done it. These are simple, but we have to change it in present perfect tense. How will be saying it in interrogative form? Have you done it, has she done it, like that. Okay, so let's look at its uses and some of its examples. Okay, so uses and its examples you have here. This is the same I told you. In positive, subject plus have has plus past participle, like I have tried sushi. In negative, subject plus have not or has not plus past participle, I have not tried sushi. With interrogative, have or has plus subject plus past participle, have you tried sushi, like that. Okay, so let's see its uses with its examples. Okay, like To express things you have done in your life, like she has never studied Japanese. To express number of times you have done something, like never or ever, or like how many times have you tried to call her. To describe recently completed actions which are important now, I have some bad news, I have lost my job. To express situations that started in the past and are still true, like their impression is till up to now. I have known James for 4 or 5 years. To describe unfinished actions or situations, like I have read half of the book. To express present result, John has missed the bus so he'll be late. Like that. I hope you got that. Next we have our present perfect continuous tense. That is the fourth form we have of present tense. Let's see its form in positive. So this tense in positive is formed by have or has, subject with subject have or has, plus verb plus ing, plus been plus verb plus ing, okay, like subject plus has or have plus been plus verb first form and ing, like he she it. Like we know, always remember that with he she it we uses has, and with I you they we uses have, okay, and then it will be same been, verb and ing. Like he has been starting, you have been starting. Example we have I have been cooking, he has been cooking. In negative form, in its negative form, it is placed not after have or has. Is formed by placing not after have or has, like subject plus have or has or have plus not plus been plus ing. He has not been starting and you have not been starting. Example we have I have not been cooking, he has not been cooking, or he hasn't been cooking, like that. In our interrogative, we form it by placing have or has before the subject, like has or have plus subject plus been plus verb first form and ing, like has with he she it, I you they we with have, been and verb and ing, like has he been starting, have you been starting, have they been starting, like that. Like examples we have, very beautiful examples are I'm presenting you here, okay. So with simple to it, like simple you have been cooking, so in present perfect continuous it will be have you been cooking with interrogative, okay. She has been cooking, this is simple, so in present perfect continuous with the negative form will be has she been cooking, okay. So let's see it uses and examples, okay. Like this is used to express an action, long action that started in the past and continue until now, that is continuing up to now, also started in past and up to now it is continuing up. Like I have been living in Ireland for almost 4 years. Express recent actions that have clear evidence or results now. Her eyes are red because she has been crying all evening. Like we know we have an evidence why her eyes is red, because she's crying all evening. Typically used for shorter, more temporary situations, okay, more temporary situations. Have they been learning English this week, like that, okay. So this is your whole about present tense, present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous, okay. So this was your whole about present simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. I hope you understood now very clearly, and now also if you have any kind of doubts, so you can ask me and you can write it on chat box. I'll be there for solving your doubts. Thank you and stay tuned with my channel.